So today we are going to make Nigel's favorite pumpkin popsicles. We start with can of puree pumpkin. And these are Nigel's favorite summer snacks. Then we throw in some applesauce. Usually want to use about half a jar of applesauce. Then we throw in some Greek yogurt, just a plain. And then we use his kangaroo milk. This helps make it liquidy. It is in a container, but it is kangaroo milk. And since he's really into watermelon right now, we're gonna throw in a couple extra pieces of watermelon. And then we just blend it all up. Would you like a sample taste? It's not cold yet. It'll be better once it's frozen. Just take the mixture. It does need to be somewhat kind of liquidy. And then we just pour it in our little ice cube makers. I like kind of the bigger square ones. It only takes them about 5 minutes to eat this, so. There we go. And then you just kind of give them a little bit of a shake. And then you put them in the freezer for a couple hours.